perilously close to the highway. I don't know what highway this is, I forget all the time, but it's between Lockford and Valley Springs in Calaveras County. So I'm driving along. It's tough to find a place to pull over, so I'm parked in somebody's driveway, but it's all rural property, so it's some ranch. And I see this coming up on the little town of Yes, happy 4th of July! Happy birthday, America. This is cowboy country. A little town called Wallace. Used to be a lumber mill here. Look what they did. Here, let me get you closer. It's the Wallace Burson Association. And they're calling it the Field of Flags. Can you see this? Way back there. Soldier saluting. You see it? Isn't that awesome? And then of course you have the branches of the military represented here. Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, Merchant Marines, POW MIA, prisoners of war, missing in action. Welcome to Wallace. That's a little sign right there. See if I can zoom this in for you. There you go. And they've got this generator set up here. So tonight and all this weekend, when you drive by on this highway between Lockford and Valley Springs and Calaveras County, they'll have it all lit up. See? It's kind of cool, isn't it? I don't know how much time this took. I don't know who owns this property. But may God bless them. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think it's fantastic. Thank you, Wallace Burson Association. I'm Charlie Simons, and I'll see you on the radio. Happy birthday, America.